Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually clear the formatting on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can actually change your text formatting, but there may be cases where you're making a bunch of changes to it and you're like, man, this is not working. I'm doing too much. I just need to get it back to where it was. And maybe it's not as accessible as you would like using the undo, and you're not able to find the change that you're looking for to revert back to through undo either. So what you could do if you want to go ahead and undo the formatting, I'm going to come over here to slide 4, and this is one of the slides that we had made a change to. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and select this slide, and I'm going to come over here to clear all formatting, which is under the Home tab. And you can see once I select it, it just went ahead and reverted it right back to where it was. It was just a title, and it was just a plain black title. Whereas if I bring it back, you can see I had changed quite a few things. I had changed the font. I think I also changed the size. I also changed the color. And just by hitting clear all formatting, it just went ahead and reverted it right back to what it was. Now let's go ahead and let's actually change a few things here. So let's change both of these. The size, I'll leave it alone because they're different sizes, but I'm going to go ahead and bold both of them. I'm going to italicize both of them. I'm going to underline both of them. I'm also going to change the color to red. I'm just going to make this look real crazy. I'm also going to highlight it. Now it just looks like a complete eyesore, right? This is not going to work. But what we could do now is I pretend we're many steps ahead and we're no longer able to undo this change. Let's do the same thing we did before. However, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select multiple elements at once. So you can see I just went ahead and clicked this little element box. Then I hold down Control on my keyboard and left click this element box down here. And I have two different elements selected on this slide. And I could come over here to clear all formatting, and if it works, it should take it right back to where it was. And it did. So you see, you brought it right back to just the plain old title and the body text here for this slide.